Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot J5, and today I'll show you how to reset app preferences. So to get started, you want to open up the settings. From settings, go all the way down to system. Choose advanced. And you should now see reset options. And from the reset options, you should now find reset app preferences. So just tap on it. Once more, reset apps. And the process is now finished. So that is how you would reset app preferences. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.